Okay guys, on April 29, 2024, now you can see that this is my plant of aloe pink blush. This is around 2-year-old plant, and now you can see that the pot or disposable glass in which this plant has been kept has deteriorated. And now we will try to propagate it from the side pups, okay? So now we have taken one of our pup, and now we will try to get our second pup. So this is second, this is without roots, and now we will try to take the third one. Yeah, it is there, okay. If they are attached with the mother plant, usually the growth is very fast. But if you will detach it and try to propagate on their own, so maybe your growth rate must decrease out. But still we will try to propagate these. And here, so on May 12, 2024. Okay, now after a very long time, after a lot of time, we will try to put these in media. We have taken our media, which consists of simple garden soil and 50% simple sand. It is a 50% mixture of sand and soil. Now you can see that these cuttings condition is not good. Why it is so? Because we have not planted it. Okay, now we have poured the water in the media, and now we will level these things. Now our first cutting, and this is our second cutting. We have planted two of these cuttings in the same pot, you can see. And what about the third one? And the conditions is not so much good, okay, because of the sun exposure, and they are a little bit dehydrated, okay. But hopefully they all will survive, because aloe has a very good tendency for a very good resistance to dehydration and sharp weather conditions. We can say that if it is too much sun or if it is too much heat or cold, still they are able to survive in all sort of harsh conditions. So now you can see it closely, that how we have planted these side pups or cuttings inside the media. So now, okay, we have to place them in shade. Okay, on June 17, 2024, now you can see that after a lot of days we got our results, and there are certain weeds also grown inside these. And one more thing, that I am doing the voice dubbing, so you will not see any sort of change in my voice in all the three parts. And now you can see that how good the growth of the root is. Okay, you can see that there are central taproot, and then there are certain off roots from this central taproot, and this one is also having a good growth on the rooting side. And now we will go for the third one, and some certain leaves are destroyed, while the other plant is showing a lot of good progress. So now we will try to take it out, and now you can see that it is also having a very good root ball, okay. This is, we can say that on both on the rooting side and on shooting side, we have seen a lot of good progress. So Now we will try to again insert these into the pot, because we do not want these cuttings to be wasted. So better is to replace like this and this one. Okay, now this is the result. So hopefully you got the concept. So thanks for visiting our channel, and don't forget to subscribe.